Okay, in today's class, we are going to discuss the view menu of Microsoft Excel program. View menu, first of all, shows workbook views. As we have discussed document views in Microsoft Word earlier, this is similar to that. That means it will show us different layouts or different views of Microsoft Excel sheet. First of all, let's see its normal view. In this view, you can see the whole sheet from left to right, from top to bottom, and you can apply all the commands, all the menus of Microsoft Excel very easily. We normally use the normal view of Microsoft Excel because it is available, all the commands are available in this view, all the menus are available in this view, and we can control whole the sheet very easily. The next one is page break. Page break view is used when we want to print that Excel sheet. For example, as you can see that it is showing me that the data I have prepared is expanded over 6 pages. Page number 1, page number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. To set up the page and to arrange the data properly on one page, we need this view, page break view. You often use it in page layout menu. As we have set it our page in page layout menu earlier, so I'm not going to use it again. The next one is page layout. It also shows us our data in the form of pages, like we see data in Microsoft Word pages. The next one is custom view. What is that custom view? As we have discussed bookmark command in Microsoft Word. What was the purpose of bookmark? Bookmark was purposed for that if you select a paragraph, if you select a column on a Word document and you bookmark it. For example, you have a paragraph on page number 10 and you have bookmarked it and you are going to use it 2 days later, 3 days later, and you if you have bookmarked it, you don't need to search it. You will go to insert and click the bookmark command and select the bookmark. You will be placed on the same paragraph. In the similar manner, if you have a large sheet, for example, this sheet comprises upon multiple data items and I need this data frequently and I have to visit it again and again. So for that purpose, I need to convert it to a custom view. I selected a range of columns, range of cells and clicked on custom view and click add button, and for that I will give it a name as I gave the name of bookmark. This name is A and I clicked OK. After clicking OK, if I am at any part of sheet, for example I am at the last column of the sheet and I am working here, I need the data that I have prepared in that previous view. I will go to custom view and I will click show. It will take me to the same place in second. I don't need to search it. Okay. Next one is show option. That is, it is showing us the formula bar. Formula bar is switched on and switched off from here. This is formula bar. If you switch off formula bar, it will not be displayed on Excel sheet. Grid line. Grid lines are these rows and columns. If you switch it off, these will not be displayed. You will see a blank sheet. You can check it again to display them. Headings. Headings are this A, B, C and 1, 2, 3. If you switch off the heading, you can't see the row numbers and column numbers over here. If you click it again, it will be checked and these A, B, C and 1, 2, 3 names of rows and columns will be displayed again. One command is disabled, that is ruler. Ruler will be displayed when you will switch the view to page layout. It will display the rulers. Now rulers are on and rulers are off. Okay, this is ruler 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, horizontal ruler and vertical ruler. When you are in normal view, you can't see the ruler. That's why it was disabled. Now another one is zoom. Normal zoom of Excel sheet is 100%. If you go on zoom command and you click 200%, it will zoom to double. If you go on zoom again, you will click 25%. It will zoom to 25%. And if you want normal zoom, you will click the 100% zoom. It will be placed to normal. If you want to zoom higher than that, you will click zoom to selection. It will enlarge the zoom and show you the place you have selected. You click again 100% zoom, it will go back to the normal zoom. Now window tab is showing us new window. New window will create another copy of the same sheet, just like that. This is sales report 2. If you go to again here in the window tab, you will see the arrange all. If we click it, it will show us how to arrange them: tile, horizontal, cascade or vertical. I need them to be cascade. Cascade means front and backward. One file will be on front, other file will be on the back. Okay, this is a good style. Let's click it. You can see sales report 2 is in front and sales report 1 is on the back. If you click sales report 1, it will display in the front. If you click horizontal, these will be placed in this manner. If you click vertical, these will be tiled vertical. This is the switching between two windows. Okay, if you maximize one of them, it will be switch off. If you click here side by side, it will show them side by side. Now let's see another one, that is freeze span and split. Freeze span. What is freeze span? For example, this is a large data. I'm moving down. As I've gone down, I can't see the title of the column here. Now I don't know what is this value. What is this value? Because heading is passed with the data. In the similar manner, if I move forward, I don't know what data was behind. So for that purpose, I will click below the heading line. Below the heading line and click freeze spans. Freeze spans. Now I will move down. You can see, I can see the heading till last record. Okay, if I move up, I can also see the heading. Headings are not moving, data is moving up and down. In the similar manner, if I move forward, I can see the headings are placed on the same point, they are not moving. Okay, to stop this, you will go to freeze spans again and click unfreeze spans. Another command just like freeze span is split. Split will do the same function. Click below the heading line and click the split command. Now if you will go down, it will not move heading, it will move data only. If you move forward, it will not move heading. You can see the heading till the last record. To remove split, go to split button again and click it. It will remove the split command. And another one is hide. Hide command is used to hide the selected files. Now both the files are hidden. I can see nothing on my Excel. I will click unhide and click any of them to unhide them. Click OK. These will be unhidden. Next one is switch windows. Switch windows means I want to select the first file. I will click the name of the first file. If I need the second file, I will click the name of second file. It will be working for switching. Another one and last and the most important command is that is macro. Macro means a permanent copy. Macro means a permanent copy. How to make macro? Let's see. For making macro, I have selected a new sheet, macro, and record macro. I will give a name to my macro. This is ABC, and I'll start making a sheet here. Now I'm going to write Title of the sheet is result sheet. I will need roll number, I will need name, I will need father name, I will need English, maths, physics, bio, chemistry, Urdu, Islamic studies, Pak studies, total, obtain, percentage, and grade cells. I have prepared a pattern of a result sheet here. Now I am going to stop this macro. I will click macros, stop recording. Now I need the same pattern on this page. Another sheet. I will go to macro and I will use view macro and I will click run. It will write the same data in 1 second. Okay. If I need to paste this data after 10 days, I will be able to paste it because it is recorded in Microsoft Excel. If I need to it again after 1 month, I can use it after 1 month also. This is the permanent copy, this is the macro copy. That's all about Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much.